Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Dollar General and Dollar Tree, I guess it's a Christmas haul. I did go to Dollar General this morning looking for Christmas stuff because I knew it should be out already. I did poke around online and I saw that they had some cute stuff, and there was a few things that I went in there specifically looking for. I did wait until today, which is Saturday, because if you have a Dollar General couponing account, you get $5 off of a $25 purchase. I did use my account and my husband's account and broke it into two different transactions, so I get $10 off of $50 instead of just $5. So, yeah, I also did go to Dollar Tree, and I was not disappointed in either place. So, let's see what I got. The first thing is this really beautiful, let's see, he's a felt snowman. He's about 18 inches tall. He is puffy felt, and he was $5. I do have a DIY wreath coming up with him in it, so if you want to see that, make sure to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. The other thing, let's see, I have everything mixed together now because I already filmed this video once, but the dog was barking in the background of it the entire time, so I decided I would do it over. I also got to go with that is this beautiful snowman ribbon. It's black and the dark red on silver. It has little, why don't I know what this bird is called? Can't think of it right now. Cardinals, there we go. In the background, it's beautiful. So this, I got to go with that big snowman. The thing that I saw online that I really wanted, because they're such a great price and they're so big, are these little elf legs. They had them as hats as well, but I like the legs. So they were $3 each. This one's missing a little pom-pom, but that's okay. I'll just glue another one back into it. And to go with that elf theme, they have these little elf ornaments this year, which they only had Santa and snowmen last year, so I'm glad that they have elves this year, and he was $3. And again, to go with that, this says this house is under elf surveillance, which I think is so adorable, so cute. It's one of the stand-up wooden signs. And this was only $2. And again, to go with that theme, because I do have a couple of wreaths in mind using this stuff, is this ribbon. I saw online that they had one that had something to do with elves right on it, but my store didn't have it. Excuse me. So I thought that this would match fine, and it's really adorable. The next thing I picked up from there is this pom-pom garlands. Once again, the elf theme. So those are really cute. And then they had a lot of gorgeous $1 ornaments. They didn't have all of them out yet, but they did have quite a few, so I picked up the ones that I admired. And again, $1. So this one says Mary. It's a wood block, and it's made a lot better than the ones from Dollar Tree, to be honest. So this is really gorgeous. I picked up this one because I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. I already have a wreath in mind for this one. This says snow. The back looks galvanized, and then the front is sparkly white. They have these little ornaments that look like tags. This one says Let It Snow. Again, wood, or not wood, but particle board, nice and thick. They also had another one, which I can't find right now, but there's this one. And this says snowballs, 5 cents each. It's a little galvanized bucket with snowballs in it. Again, I know exactly what wreath this is going on to. Here is the other tag looking ornament. This is 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly, and it looks like a faux wood plank. Again, nice thick. Then they had these pine cones, which are like snow coated, as you can see, and these were $1 for 12, and these are a lot better quality than the ones from Dollar Tree, so I scooped these up while they still had them. The next thing I got from there was this really adorable little snowman head. I love snowmen. He's got a little burlap hat with snowflakes on it, and then he lights up. How sweet is that? I cannot wait to use this. And he was $3. Again, with these big soft ornaments, he was $3. They're kind of reminiscent of last year. They have the same faces, but their bodies were different. They had on little... Oh, I'm so sorry, I cannot stop yawning today. They had on little skates and little jackets last year, but I thought that he was really sweet, and he does match that big snowman. What else do we have from Dollar General? We've got these packages of ornaments. Now I somehow seem to be missing one. Oh, no, there it is. So these two little tiny packages of ornaments. These are just silver, and these were $1. And then these are like funky, fun, girly colors. So I do have a DIY coming up using these, and these were exactly the color that I was looking for, so I'm really excited that I found those. And then I believe this is the last thing from Dollar General. And this is a small shelf sitter, and he was $3. They really don't have any fall or any Halloween left. I went in because Halloween was supposed to be buy one, get one 50% off today, but they had nothing. So I did manage to snag one of these little guys, so I was happy about that. So that was everything from Dollar General. Now we'll move on to Dollar Tree. I got another package of tinsel stems. These are in green. I got a package of AA batteries. I found this, which is adorable. This is wood. I found one that's plastic. That's a coffin that says Trick or Treat. But these were just so precious. And it lights up. So I did not get this for DIY or anything. This is just gonna go right in my living room because I think that that is so cute. The next thing are a couple of ornaments. They have a lot of new ornaments out this year, a lot of rustic farmhouse looking ornaments. This is a repeat from last year. These were all made very poorly, so I tried to find the one that looked the most together, we'll say. But he is really cute. It's just a little sleigh. I picked up one of these. These are some of my favorite ornaments. I pick some of these up every single year. Dollar Tree also has some of these tag looking ornaments. This is much larger than the one from Dollar General though, if you can see in comparison. They had multiple patterns with the same color background and the same snowman, but he's in different positions, and they had a lot of different sayings, but I like this one the most with him looking up at the little saying. I found some of these for Christmas. These are those standing wood blocks for the tables like they put out for Halloween and for fall. This is the only pattern that I could find though. It says farm fresh Christmas trees, pine, spruce, and fir. And I also have a DIY wreath coming up with this. And it's going to be using some of this snow flecked mesh that they've been carrying. I did buy a case of this off of DollarTree.com, but now I kind of have an idea what to do with it. I did snag some more of it. I was unsure for a while because I think it's like an odd color green for Christmas, but Dollar Tree does have a lot of things to match it, so. Next, I got these. These are following in the Halloween and the fall footsteps once again. These are those wood cutouts, DIY ornaments is what they're calling them. So I got some Christmas trees. I picked up a package of these little lights. And then I was not looking for these. I just happened to walk by them in an aisle sitting together. And I think that these are the most gorgeous sparkle ribbons. This one is a rose gold, and then this one's a beige gold. And these will look so gorgeous together on a Christmas wreath. So yeah, that is everything that I got. I thank you all for watching. I thank you all for subscribing. If you're not yet a subscriber, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do a lot of DIY wreaths for cheap. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and thank you for watching.